Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through how to integrate cos x cubed. So before we start integrating, there's two things that we have to quickly recall. We have to recall that if the power of cos is odd, then we need to rewrite the function. So in this case, cos x cubed, we have to rewrite that as being the product of cos x squared times by cos x. The second thing that we have to recall is we have to recall the Pythagorean identity. And if we rearrange the Pythagorean identity, we could get that cos squared x, or cos x squared, is going to be equal to 1 minus sine x squared. So that's what we've done before we've even integrated. I've gone and swapped cos x squared with 1 minus sine x squared. So following that, we've got to use substitution. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute u for being equal to sine x. So there's a bit of a trick here. The reason why I've selected u to be equal to sine x is because of this here. So you always want to let u equal the thing that is in the brackets. So in this case, the thing, or the trig expression that's being squared inside of the brackets, is sine x. So we want to let that be u. So here are the steps to this question. First thing that I've done before integrating, I've rewritten my function like we just talked about before. Then I've just used the Pythagorean identity to swap cos squared x for being 1 minus sine squared x. Then what I need to do, right, before I go on to this line here, before that, I've got to write that I'm going to let u equal sine x. Then I'm going to find the derivative of u. So the derivative of sine x is cos x, which I've written as du on dx. Then what we can do is we can rearrange this line here to make dx the subject. When we rearrange to make dx the subject, we end up with this here. Now notice we've got dx there. In our equation, we've also got dx here. So what we can go and do is we can go and substitute this entire thing and write it instead of writing dx. So we can substitute it into our integral. Once we substitute dx into our integral, we're going to find that we're going to have the causes are going to cancel out because one's on the top, one's on the bottom. Then we're just going to be left with this situation here, where now we're just integrating a function with respect to u. So pretty simple step there. Once we integrate that function, we end up with this function here. And then now what we need to do is we just need to just substitute u back into our final answer. Our final answer is going to be equal to this. So the integral of cos x cubed is going to be sine x minus sine x cubed over 3 plus c. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.